So I want to preface what I just did by saying, well, my wife's car's two-wheel drive. I know, dumb move on my part. And I left it all close enough to the driveway. It's technically still on the driveway, so I can grade it back when the snow leaves. But I wanted to get as much off as I possibly could, so that way we don't have any traction issues in her car when she has to go to work. So yes, I scraped a lot of gravel, but it was intentional.